In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to bend text along a custom path. By the end, you'll know exactly how to curve your text in a clean, controlled way using a plugin, and how to tweak it so it matches your design perfectly. First, head over to the Figma website in your browser and open your file. Navigate to the page where you want this effect to live. Take a moment to get oriented, because the setup you do now will make the next step smooth and predictable. Next, make sure your text is ready. Select the text layer you want to bend and confirm its editable type, not a vector outline. Choose the font, size and weight that you plan to use, and keep an eye on line breaks. Shorter lines bend more neatly, while very long lines may require more subtle curvature to stay readable. If you have multiple text layers, decide which one you're curving and select only that layer to avoid confusion later. Now, click the Action menu in Figma. This opens the Quick Action search, which is the fastest way to find commands and plugins without digging through menus. With the search open, switch to Plugins by selecting the Plugins option so you're specifically looking at tools that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search field, type Curve Text. You're looking for the plugin that bends text along a circular or arced path. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling and make sure your text layer is still selected. Keeping the correct layer active ensures the plugin knows what to modify as soon as it runs. Click the Curve Text plugin and then click Run. The plugin panel will open, and this is where you adjust your text. You'll typically see controls for curvature or radius, alignment along the curve, and sometimes direction, spacing, or baseline offset. Start with the curvature or radius. Small values create a tight arc, while larger values give you a gentle bend. If your text curves the wrong way, flip the direction or use negative values. Nudge letter spacing if characters feel cramped, and adjust baseline options to lift or lower the text on the path for a cleaner visual balance. Keep your eye on legibility. If the curve is too extreme, dial it back until the text reads comfortably at the size you're using. When the text looks right, close the plugin panel. Your curved text is now part of the design and can be moved, grouped, or styled just like any other layer. That's it. Simple, precise, and ready to use across badges, logos, and headlines.